Hey YouTube, coming at you from behind the garage here, standing out in the wood yard, looking around. I had a question. I wanted to get some feedback on this. Let me show you around here a little bit. So if we look over to where those totes are, the ones that are full of wood, if we call that one side, then you can see the log pile down there. We'll call that the other side. My question is, from that log pile to those totes is, we'll call it 100 yards. From this log pile, sorry if you're staring in the sun, from this log pile, from the fence behind it back there, going this way, if I were to go 50-60 yards, basically kind of think of it like the size of a football field, roughly 100, maybe a little over 100 yards long and 50 yards wide. Would that be enough for a production firewood lot and mitigation lot? These are all trees that I've drug up from, they were actually off that other ridge, but what I'm looking at is how big do I need? What is necessary for a woodlot? Something I can do, I don't know, call it 40 cords a year out of. I'm not trying to go crazy, I'm just trying to kind of get a start, but I also don't want to build this and get all the logs everywhere and have the processor set up and everything else just to discover that, oh yeah, now I gotta add on to it another 40 feet or whatever the case may be, and then I'm gonna have to move everything again. The way that I'm sourcing the dirt, this up here is considerably higher than where I'm standing and much higher over there. So what I'm going to do is take the dozer, get this, basically push it out there, make a nice big flat pad. I will be dragging stuff like this in all year round and then processing wood. I'm kind of wondering, is that big enough? I don't have plans at this point of having log trucks in here and everything else, because all my firewood I source here. I'm on 44 acres, but there's roughly 40 that need to be mitigated. I've done this hillside here and just gotten started on that ridge over there, but I've got roughly half a mile this way to go. So it'll keep me busy for years. If you could tell me in the comments, how much do I need for 40 cords a year, plus dragging in the mitigation wood with a log skidder? I'm kind of, like I said, I don't want to have to go through this 2 or 3 times in the next 2 years.